Hello, hopefully you've watched our main video now, and there may be some things that you're thinking that your business needs that we haven't covered, and this section is hopefully to show you the things we've added or enhanced over the last 6 years. So the first thing I'd like to say is we didn't mention an awful lot about food in the video. We are now fully food compliant. In fact, we've got the market leading way of dealing with food. You can, if you want to, use bill of materials, recipes to make up the complex pictures of all your food that some other systems also offer. But we do also have a much simpler version where you can simply record all food in a single financial statement, cost of all food, or you can break this down to meats, vegetables, down to anything you like really. So we're giving you a true flexibility. And of course you weigh accuracy against speed, and either way you can decide how you want to use Cellar Master. So this is fully incorporated food, and on the website you'll see a full introduction to how we deal with food, which you can download and watch in more detail. I think we've got food covered. Ooh, somebody else says that, don't they? We've also got the ability to offer full multiple site control. If you've got a group of pubs, you may want to swap stock from one to the other. You might want to have a global purchasing policy, which you will deliver the goods centrally and distribute them out, or also you might want to have them delivered direct to site but still have a global stock policy, having moved stock from one to the other. Again, this is fully covered in our revolutionary multiple site stock control, again on the website, so take a look at that if you have a group of companies. Replenishment control is covered in the multiple site replenishment control. We've got a variety of different ways. Obviously, if you've got your till systems linked up to Cellar Master, you're going to get very accurate transaction control. But even if you haven't, we can allow you just to simply import this data from your tills through spreadsheets into our system, and we'll then do the rest for you. So we've got full replenishment control, including the raising of purchase orders, automatic receipting of those, and this also means that you cut down the amount of work your stock taker needs to do, and obviously that they spend less time on site. So again, we've got a brochure on that, full booklet detailing all the key elements of it, the photographs on how to use it, again downloadable from the website. As you can imagine, as we go through the systems, you may feel you want more support, more help from us directly. We're not just a software company, we also are implementers and supporters and trainers. And so if you feel you want to talk to us about your particular requirements, if you want us to handheld you through it, we work with a lot of hotels in the past supporting them, and we continue to offer support to groups of pubs, groups of organisations who want to do stock taking, where we'll come in and start the procedures for you and get you up and running and leave it fully functional. A list and a summary of these features are also on the website as an introduction to the products and services that we base around the Cellar Master product. Just to show you a little bit here, we also are fully compliant with not just pubs but shops, retail, and we're fully barcode enabled. So what you can do is you can go around, you can use the barcode reader. We've recently just introduced the new Data Logic Memoir into our range. We already have the symbol devices on our portfolio and mobile phones. So we had the two sides of the financial spectrum, and now we're in the centre with an incredibly well priced, fully colour, fully featured laser card reader. But not only do we laser read it, we've also been asked to introduce weighing scales into our solution, where you can simply put a bottle on it and it will tell you exactly what's inside the bottle to the nearest drop, and it is that accurate, I promise you. And so we're starting to cover and incorporate every single angle of stock taking. Even though we just deal with, I've just mentioned and talked about bottles, we also have the ability to factor up, so you can put 200 screws onto this, we'll know it's 200, and then we can tell you how much one equals. So very tight control, full retail, but also manufacturing enabled as well. And of course we do link back through to Sage Line 50, and of course we could link to Sage Line 200. So there we are, a short summary of all the extra features we've got, and of course for our stock takers, we have cases that allow you to carrying multiple items at the same time, and of course carrying cases for the weighing scales as well. Thank you very much. Please do contact us if we haven't covered something you want to. We have a video here which we can send out to you highlighting all the different features, including a demonstration of the software which you can download and you can have a look at. There's fully featured data already on there, so you can get on and play with it straight away and see if it does something you could find helpful to your business. Thank you very much for listening.